Minimal, Kwame. I spend shall play music. I am father bling, but I want Shella, man. You know, you better to put it up much time, man. Bless by the body, though. Yo, my side, on a snipe up this for me there, please. Me, I beg on a snipe. Beg on a snipe them my side, please.
Empress, leave on the last piece.
People, welcome back to the channel. This is Birdbeak, and today I will continue to talk about the 1BABASKENG situation. It was said that he was fatally shot somewhere along Red Hills Road on TikTok Live, and I'm also hearing that he is the son of a reggae singer. So, people, let me know down in the comment below how true that is. I have not confirmed it yet, but I have heard rumors that he's the son of a reggae artist. So, yeah. Also, people, leave a like, subscribe and comment. It really helps a lot and it literally costs you nothing. With that being said, let's get into the video. Now in the upcoming clip, we can see Pretti and her fellow TikTokers talking about the situation, and people in no nice at all. Just take a listen.
Blood clot, I tell you, you see what go on?
Awa.
You know see what go on with BABASKENG?
Bumbo clot. Me see last night when me I got me bed. But me never know who.
Oh, it's sad.
I just want a little piece of sit me see with two pictures. Me I say me I put 2 and 2 together. Me see when it dog like what.
Why me see the whole altercation?
You see what see
Bro, me say brawling in the dark in there.
Jano. You fuck up.
I think we need to have I need all of us as Jamaicans to have a prayer meeting for this place. Me
So
think,
what are they? Where you come from?
I think Red Hills Road.
Oh.
Yeah, I think the Jamaicans need to have a prayer service, man, and just invite back God in a thing. You know them little weird there? Yeah, man, open them hearts to the Almighty, you know? Like, bro, let me tell you something. You see, when God in a thing, it care nice. You understand me? You see, for once a Satan in a thing, it will cause all kind of turmoil and destruction. You understand me? We have to invite the Lord back into this. You understand me? I said, you have to, the most of them have to consecrate them soul. Pray and ask God for the deliverance for this year up here. You understand me? The people who take this serious over here, I think them need to have a worship. You understand me? A worship. I want to say worship, I mean none of the fake shit them what them do for gifts and them thing. You understand me? Like a real intervention, like to say, alright, let's invite the Lord back into the vlogging. Let's invite the Lord back into our lives. Let's invite the Lord back into a clean mind space. You know what I'm looking weird there? We have to do that, bro, because if you don't realize, true God not in anything, it thing really a fuck up. You understand what I deal with me, G? Because, bro, you see, anyway, Father God there, so much turmoil no go on with them more. You understand what I mean?
I no joke.
Yeah, man. You see, for once God involved, everything smooth, everything nice. Me, I tell you that. At first, and me know that, me see that, me know for myself. So for once you invite God and say, alright, God, are you me a work with? Are you me a follow? Everything sweet, man. No, too much spiciness. Too much.
Too ranchy.
Yes, man. You fuck up in our little fuck up with your dog.
People, let me know what you think about that down in the comment section below. Now we have to move on to our next clip. And in this clip you can see a fellow TikToker speaking out about the situation, saying that him now go live on thing no more. Just listen to what him have to say.
Oh God, man, right now my top go live. See BABASKENG I go live yesterday on the live, man just go and shoot him brawling middle there. Look like all in a crowd too. Like it I get about 15 shots. Me alone see that the video they on live. Live it, I go on me the day I watch it live, you know, and I see a man just walk around, clum. And I hate that feel. Oh God, man, you real serious.
1BABASKENG, rest in peace. Me hear say my artist son, so me I wonder where artist son I do on TikTok a big. Why artist son could go turn artist too? I go turn a engineer. I go turn a doctor. Boy, it's sad, yeah, man. It's sad. Sad same people come taking 3 points in a broad daylight, brawling in front of the world for the world see it. A very gruesome, truly devilish and devastating acts, people. Yeah, man. I want to know for share your thoughts, man, this down in the comment section below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe, man. People, may I try to reach 1,000 subscribers. Please help me. Your support is greatly appreciated. Yeah, man. I want to know if you take a look on the party right there, so showing how fuck up the situation really is. Want to notice in the picture right there, so you see on the shooter fire off the shot, and the shot connecting a my boy head top in a BABASKENG head top. You see look on him face. Yo, the man go down with a smile on him face, people. The man did a whole of vibes in the truest sense. The man did happy. And then the man just comes take away him 3 points and gone with it. Boy, people, the thing fuck up. But you don't know. You can take a better look at the shooter right there. So, I'm going to zoom it in for you to see it. Alright, people. So, from the analysis here, we can see how the shooter did left-handed, you see me, because I'm left-handed, you see me use. It was also clear that this man is not a rookie to firearms, because this man, he landed his first shot. These were not wild shots. These were directed and targeted shots, precisely aimed at 1BABASKENG with the intention of executing him. You see me? And he was successful in doing so. Now, people, this is just a whole fuck up situation. If you look on BABASKENG face over here, so you see the man a smile, see me, people. You see the man in the background, him just a see what going on, but it's too late. By the time him for say, yo, this man pull out gun and gunshot, BABASKENG don't get shot already. Sorry, BABASKENG don't get shot already and reach a ground. You see me? Boy, people, the thing just so sad and confusing here, man. It make me there all twist up words them. But just pray for him family, pray for Jamaica, and hope the perpetrators will be brought to justice. With that being said, people, let's move on to another clip.
Yeah, people come analyze you. I see your thing, bro. Man, I cap dog. Empress. My fellow TikTokers, co-workers, brothers and sisters. Sometimes when there's some place not gonna live.
On my side, on the sniper of this stuff, they're gonna snipe.
People come hurt, you know. I have some people build some fake page. Come tell you about your mother, tell them about their mother. And them see a road and hurt you. And them know say them come perplex at first. You have to know where you are the road, like the street cold and ugly. The street cold and ugly, my people. Listen to me. The street not love nobody, bro. Me say man grow and come kill a idol. Me say best friend I kill for food. Me say brother I kill for 2 pounds of rice. And you know joking thing chat. So they can go and feel like say, yes, Zoom a coward. Bro, me get booked for party, bro. I'm paranoid. Sometimes I want some party I play. Because I'm select. Sometimes there's some party I play. I'm paranoid, bro. Me not like crowd. Me not like crowd, bro. And when I go party, me not go alone. If me not walk with 2 of my friends, them 3 of my friends, them, bro, me not go. And when I get bookings, I make sure I tell the person, say, listen, no, me I come in my clique, you know. Me not go. I ain't no joking thing. Out there cool. The street not love nobody, bro. Don't feel this. The street not love nobody, dog.
Anyways, people, that tight for now. Bird Nation, stay sharp.